You must have heard that many people who adhere to a healthy lifestyle prefer to start their morning not with a cup of coffee, but with a spoonful of olive oil. Of course, everyone knows about the benefits of this oil, but what is the point of taking it in the morning and on an empty stomach? In today's video, we will figure it out. The greatest value of olive oil is that all the nutrients from this product are fully and completely absorbed by the body. So what are the benefits of this oil? It makes skin, hair, and nails beautiful. The composition of olive oil is unique. It contains a lot of antioxidants, vitamin E, which helps to assimilate vitamins A and K more easily. The combined effect of these vitamins improves the condition of the skin, hair, and nails and rejuvenates the body. It improves the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, pancreas, and liver. It helps in the healing of the stomach and intestinal ulcers as the oil has a laxative and choleratic effect. It prevents heart diseases. This is due to the high content of monounsaturated fatty acids omega-3, which help your heart function, boosts immunity. The benefit is that the oleic acid in olive oil reduces the risk of development of different diseases, including breast cancer in women, helps in weight loss. This oil weakens appetite and improves metabolic processes, slows down the conversion of lipids into body fat, which helps to get rid of extra pounds. Take the oil on an empty stomach in the morning, 30 minutes before meals. If you cannot swallow the oil, mix it with warm water. Add a spoonful of honey to a glass to improve the taste of the product.